Rainbow is a wonderful pose for the second chakra and is fairly easy to set up. So we'll take a small bolster or a rolled up blanket with a block between the thighs and a belt above the knees. Lifting the hips, slide the bolster underneath of the sacrum. You want that to be below the lower back and above the fleshy part of the glutes. From here, we'll just slowly extend the legs out. If the knee joint feels compromised by hyperextension or just hovering into empty space, we'll take a blanket from the eightfold and roll it up, placing it underneath of the knees before you lay back. That gives the added support you need for the knees to rest comfortably on a support. A fun variation for rainbow involves a setup at the wall and adds a hip opener to the pose. So start about 6 inches away from the wall, setting up by bending the knee and sliding your support, block, or bolster underneath the sacrum. Extending one leg long, the outer leg, and then bend your other knee into your chest and extend the leg onto the wall. If you don't feel enough of a hip opener, come down and scoot your support a little further away from the wall, and then see if that helps you feel even more of a hip opener. Rest here, allowing the hips to be heavy on your support and both legs nice and relaxed. Enjoy!